Oh, Bush, get involved. That was fantastic, Francine. Mount. Which one were you?
Curry tea, really? Curry tea. These are fantastic. This is the best present I've had for a long time.
Do I look like that?
Spot on. Spot on. Do I look like that? I do.
Hwn dwi'n licio trai. Sgidiau neis.
Diolch yn fawr.
Francine, diolch yn fawr iawn.
These are brilliant. Can I keep yours? And you can keep mine? Yeah.
No. Reit, ac os da chi eisiau gweld mwy o waith Francine, ewch i francinedavis.com.
Diolch yn fawr, Francine.
Gwych.
This is not like you at all. He's got his mouth closed and it's too quiet for
And
me.
look. Wedi blino. All Welsh out. Right, love.
What's next?
Uchafbwynt highlight.
Oh, no.
La 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 la.
Okay.
Oh, sbia. Oh, they look more frightened than you do.
Legs across the way.
Right.
What are we seeing?
Bachgen bach o dinkar.
Pwy?
Bachgen bach o dinker.
Sut mae hwn yn mynd tan, ie? Bachgen...
Bach...
Mae rai fi ddeud. I don't know this tune very well, iawn.
You don't know any of them very well.
Ymarfer, ie.
Sian knew everyone.
So, ta chi just yn mynd i'n helpu fi. Bachgen bach o dinkar.
Yeah.
Yn myned hyd o wlad. A little tinker boy wandering the countryside.
Oh, nice.
Cario'i becyn ar ei gefn. A gweithio'i waith yn rhad. So carrying his pack on his back and doing his work cheaply. Yn ei lawr roedd haearn, in his hand an iron, ac ar ei gefn roedd box, and on his back, a box. Put o getyn yn ei geg, a little pipe in his mouth, a than ei drwyn roedd locks, and under his nose, whiskers.
Yeah, the beard.
Yeah.
Okay,
right,
what's the tune?
It's unnerving me a bit having you here, Fama, so I'm going to just move
You're in a mat sandwich. Come on, that's got to be a good thing.
Brechdan mat.
Brechdan mat.
Right, eistedd ar y llawr yma na, a behafia mat. Behave yourself rwan, iawn?
Not gonna.
OK, da ni barod?
Barod.
Iawn, barod. 1, 2, 3. Bachgen bach o dinkar yn myned hyd y wlad. Cario'i becyn ar ei gefn a gweithio'i waith yn rhad. Yn ei lawr roedd haearn ac ar ei gefn roedd box. Put o gegin yn ei geg a than ei drwyn roedd
Rocks.
I liked your version.
Gwych.
Put o gegin
I don't
yn
know
ei
what I said.
geg.
Put a
A
geg.
little bit of kitchen in his mouth as opposed to... Oh, no, well, yn doedd.
I thought I'd mix it up a bit, you know?
Reit te,
Change
da
of
ni
angle.
angen ymarfer, dwi'n meddwl, ond os da chi eisiau ymarfer eich Cymraeg yr wythnos yma, dyma yn digwyddiadur ni.
Joio.